These are the 20 of the most commonly asked questions in the English language. What is your name? What is your name? How are you? How are you? Where are you from? Where are you from? What you do? What you do? What you do? How old are you? How old are you? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? What are your hobbies? Hobbies. What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite book? What's your favorite book? What's your favorite song? What's your favorite song? What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite TV show? What's your favorite TV show? What's your favorite place to visit? What's your favorite place to visit? What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time? What are your plans for the weekend? What are your plans for the weekend? Have you ever traveled outside of the country? Have you ever traveled outside of the country? What do you want to do in the future? What do you want to do in the future? What do you want to do in the future? Thank you very much.